line on Mondays at 7. Talk to Alex. Oh, Indaba. Talking my business is simple. Nazo zonke indaba zabasha.
Yes, welcome to this conversation. Last khona kwi sex indaba about izinto ethinta intimacy, making love, and we also answer our questions asuke ekhona. So we have the open line again now. We have Dokotela. It's good to have you back, Doc.
It's good to be back in Tiani.
Thank you very much.
Siyanbulisa, siyanthanda futhi.
Yes, it's under zethu. Namhlanje Dokotela sine open line. So we have comments swabonile and ungakhomenta nawe khona manje on our platforms. Ngwena with Facebook page Indaba with Alex and here on YouTube as well. So we open line. If siqala nje Dokotela, I have usisla obhalile ukuthi I'm a lady who is in a relationship with two guys at the same time.
Okay.
One is rich and gives work. Dick. Right?
Yeah.
And the other one akasebenzi and makes me calm na nominini. So ngifuna ukuba na one of them. I'm really in a predicament ekutheni ngikhethe mophi. Uyisolve kanjani problem nje?
Okay, uthe lady.
Lady.
Kokuqala mhlambe you shouldn't use the little kind of lady.
We're not judging, are we?
Ngoba a lady number one, but sakisizwe Mtiani, you know, a lady wouldn't behave that way, okay? But,
well, if she's not a lady then uzothini ke?
What nje unomuntu wesifazane.
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
Fine. Don't be offended.
Yeah.
Lady,
Now,
woman, sissy.
fine.
Yeah.
To me, lento ishilo Mtiani, it's got nothing akasho lutho about uthando. Okay? Ukhulume ngokuthi lo unemali,
Yeah.
lo akanamali, lo nocansolo nje, lo unocansolo nje. So those are the two things ama issues again elusisi. Imali nocansi.
Yeah.
Now zombili lezi zinto are not committal. Zombili lezi zinto will not lead to a future. So yena ufuna ukuchoosiswa either between imali or sex. Those are the two things. And njengoba choose lezo zinto zoyi-two azina value zombili lezo zinto. So for me it would be ukuthi thola uthando mo ngoba number one imali can change. What if you choose lo nemali kwenzeke anything akasenamali then what?
Okay.
You know, but what if you choose alone sex? People, things change, people grow, and also uzoba bitter so choose lo ongnezi sexy and suke wezwa ukuba nomuntu onemali.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, imali can be very addictive. Ukuthi musuke waphiliswa ngendlela ethize uzogcina sumzonda lo kuba ngathi ifault yakhe ukuthi wena awunazi izinto kade unazo kade uthandana nalomuntu onemali. So rather usisi must find herself first and azithola ukuthi no why number one ifuna sex and money, you know, which is very superficial, and find a way ukuthi azithole naqala, but to find love you need to love yourself first.
Okay, here's a question angazange ayibuzeke. This is my question. Should we accept ukuthi in love you can never get yonke into kumuntu oyedwa? You have to compromise ukuthi unalokhu nalokhu nalokhu but akanakho ukuthi can you have a perfect partner or soulmate ozoba nayo yonke into? The dick is good, money
is good,
everything
looks are good,
and looks are good.
Relationships are good.
Yes.
You know, Mtiani, I always believe ukuthi in life and in love you're always looking for yourself. Okay, now you are not perfect. Either. Now angeke futhi uzumthole Mtiani umuntu who is everything and all rounder. And kuma relationship we complement each other. You know, kumele kube khona nawe into that you are giving, and for you to be able to give your character, it means akanayo. Yena lo muntu leyo.
Oh yes, you complement each other.
So that's why you complement each other, you know, with relationships. So nobody is perfect and angeke uzufune perfect. And to love somebody is a choice. So you are choose ukumthanda enjalo. If kukuthi unento is wrong ngaye njani uyamchoose ukumthanda and you love them flaws and all.
Whether akaperform kahle in bed, but there are things ezibalekile ukudlula lokho.
But it has to be izinto ezibaleke kuwena. If kuwena uthola ukuthi ukuperforma komuntu in bed is ace number 1, ngeke uzochoose umuntu ongaperformi ngoba you know ukuthi leyo nto izobe minus kuwe, and then you're going to end up abusing lo muntu.
Sure. This conversation ke ikhona ko wonke ama platforms. If ungaya nje ku Gagasi app uzokwazi ukuthola i-podcast yalolu hlelo and then video yakhona as well, and on Facebook Indaba with Alex. So we open line ke sithatha wonke ama-comments nama-questions, and we always appreciate the feedback as well, not only ama-questions, Dr.
Yes.
All right, here is Stanley here saying ukuthi Alex and Doc, please advise why umuntu wesifazane uma sechamile engabe sakhuthalela ukuthi kungenwe ku second round.
Look, when it comes to ucansi Mthiyane, and angifuni isithanda zethu sicabanga ukuthi it's about quantity. It's not about quantity, it's about quality. You know, yocansi. If you've had a good valuable session eyodwa uyakwazi ukuthi ube right ngaleyo nto and you don't want anything more ngoba it's not a competition, it's not into yokuboasta ukuthi ngenzeka ngakhi mina njalo njalo. However, kungenzeka kumuntu wesifazane omunye ukuthi if esechamile uyadela and akasafuni anything. But umuntu wesifazane une potential to come many times. So kwaloko lo osuke ethi kade echame once and akasafuni lutho, after that it can raise a few flags, one about affection towards lo muntu, but also mhlawumbe kubhlungu akasafuna ukuphinda ukuwabona ngoba it's much easier umuntu wesifazane achame kaningi, you know, kunomuntu wesilisa. So definitely lona kumele I find out ukuthi what is the real cause eyenza upartner wakhe engasafuni ukuphinda the second time.
Okay, so this is when you explore things like sex and penetration, right?
Yes.
Options azoba good again, so that you don't have someone tolerate ukuthi akachama so that iphele. We discussed that in our next episode. Uyibheke le oral sex. And then here's another one. My questions are like balaleli, hands we open line. And then kule uthi ngicela ukubuza la, umtshela kanjani umuntu wakho ukuthi ubhini wakhe awusafani nalo owushiye last time ne have? That's an interesting one.
It is, but you know, and futhi abantu besilisa should stop thinking ukuthi bayamkrema umuntu wesifazane ukuthi unjani ngaphakathi, ushaped kanjani, ubhotshisi wakhe unjani, imbobo injani. You know, it's important to know ukuthi different circumstances, different feelings, different times of the month azosho different things emzimbeni womuntu wesifazane.
Even shape.
Well, shape iyabhontshisi uzoshintsha depending ukuthi you are on or not. The minute usu on ibhontshisi uyashintsha shape, number one. So if kukuthi mhlambe usenzela wena nje akekho that on, yes ubhontshisi wakhe is going to be a different shape. So lokho kukodwa can be telling you ukuthi ubhontshisi is differently shaped because of that. But angacabanga ukuthi it's because someone else was lying on it, ubhontshisi, you know, and it changed shape.
Oh, okay. So ngamanye amazwi the chemistry developayo kubantu abathandanayo. Can you not feel ukuthi the last time we had sex kwakukanje and then now kusho ukuthi ngathi khona elinye lingenile la kuwe?
No, lalela.
We hear that all the time.
Lalela Mthiyane, even kuukuthi ulala nawe kuphela umuntu oyedwa, second round, round 1, round 2. No sexual act is ever the same.
All right.
You know, ngeke uzumforeplay ngokufana, ngeke uzumthinte ngokufana, ngeke uzumfende ngokufana, naye ngeke aza responde ngokufana, ukwabona.
Ungacram, as you said.
Don't cram, just go with the flow and enjoy, and that's the thrill of it. Ngoba part of that is trusting each other.
Sure.
This is who they are presenting to be at this time, and just enjoying them.
So don't rob yourself ithuba lokuthi enjoy a moment with umuntu wakho ngoba ukuthi nama issues insecurity.
Yes.
Sure. And then usiphiwe uthi ama tips please ake nifundise abantu besifazana about women on top, because omunye umuntu vela ahlala nje phe kwakho uthola ukuthi ngesikhathi icindezela awusakwazana ukuthi enjoy kuyenzeka lokho.
Yes, kuyenzeka Mthiyane, but then again angithi ubhuti lo uyazi yena ukuthi woman on top kumele enze njani, yini ezomthokozisa naye ngoba phela it's a two-way thing. Usisi naye mhlambe yena uthi mase sehleze nje lapho kube mnandi ukuthi uhleli, you know, but ubhuti ufuna ukuthi usisanyakaze. So umuntu mengaphezulu kwakho uyakwazi wena ukumnyakazisa, but more uyakwazi kwa wena ukuthi umfende, you know, engaphezulu wena ungaphansi.
So he must communicate.
He must communicate, but also he must act naye angasitshela ukuthi usisi okufanele lenze izinto.
So akathi exercise okay? Because I was mhlambe usisi is voluptuous yena uskinny. We do not know. Asibambelana conversation yet. Thank you very much. Look out for our next installment. Last week sikhuluma khona Doc nge oral sex. Cabanga nje oral sex and all that coming from umuntu present bokushayena ne doku lakhe, you know.
No, oral sex is not coming from me. We are talking about oral sex.
Till next time. Thanks.
Special open line on Mondays at 7. Talk to Alex. Oh, Indaba. Talking my business is into. Nazo zonke indaba zabasha.